Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. So you want to know more about what type of dog is good for a watchdog indoors? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about what type of dog is good for a watchdog indoors is www.petplace.com. See the page titled Dogs Good for Men, 13 Manly Masculine Dog Breeds, page 1. Here's the link. You can also try www.geopetsamerica.com, especially the page Dogs Good with Children, Dogs Suitable for Children. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.petdoors.com. The web page Pet Doors, Dog Doors and Cat Doors for every type of door. Here's the link.